Hi everyone, you guys are going to love this project. It is so easy to make and you use just thin strips of fabric, just 4 strips. And it's perfect for if you're upcycling denim because you only need a thin piece. I've cut these pieces to be 5 inches wide by 20 inches long. You can make this any size you want. I'm actually, this one here, I'm upcycling a denim skirt. The first thing we want to do is place our pieces. Now we want these to be alternating. We're putting the wrong side up. And it should look like this. And then this one here, we're going to pin these together. And we're going to go to the sewing machine and just sew these 2 pieces like that. Now we're going to pin these together here. And we're going to sew right across there. So it should look like this. Now I'm going to take this side here and pin that. And then take the next one and take those sides and pin it together. And do this all the way around. And I'm going to pin up the sides for the lining as well. Now when you're sewing the lining, one of the sides, we're going to want to leave an opening. So I always do it on the first one. This way I don't forget to do it. So just leave a space big enough that you can, you're able to turn everything right side out when it's sewn together. While I'm at the sewing machine, I'm going to be sewing my straps. I made these to be 4 inches wide by 18 inches long. And I just folded them in like this. So it should look like this when you turn it around. I tacked on the straps and we're just going to pin on the lining. So when we're pinning it together, we want to make sure that the right sides are facing each other. And just match up the corners. Now that it's all pinned, we're going to sew right around the top. Now I'm going to just clip the corners and turn it right side out. So I'm going to press this open and we'll go over and top stitch it and also close this opening here. This was kind of a fun project to do. It was really easy to stitch up. It took less than half an hour to make. And people, when they look at it, they'll never know it was made with 4 strips of fabric. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't yet subscribed yet, please subscribe and have a great day. Bye for now.